Hello everyone. In our previous video we have shown you how H5P content works in an LMS. If you haven't seen our previous video, please find the links in the description below. In this video we will show you other formats of H5P plugin for LMS. So why to wait? Here is an example of image hotspots where instructors can pinpoint different sections of an image with useful information or resources in format like text or image or video. Also recombination of image plus text or text plus video or all three in a recombination can be done. Next H5P format is image juxtaposition where before and after events of an incident can be explained to the learners. This format can be used in showing results of changes done from time to time. Next H5P format is image sequencing, where historical chain of events or sequence of a series can be easily explained by using image sequencing format. In order to increase more engagement for learners towards the assessment, flashcards can be used, where different image placards are placed and identification of the element or word can be done. Next H5P interactive content format is drag and drop. Here, drag and drop can be used to test the learner's knowledge on a given topic as a variation to multiple choice questions. Overall idea behind all formats of H5P content is to bring more engagement, interaction, and efficiency of learners towards the courses. In our upcoming video, we will explain how Stash plugin is used in gamifying your content in LMS, why it is useful in bringing more engagement to learners. Thank you for your patience. If you want a personalized demo on H5P plugin, feel free to reach us at hello@3esoftech.com. Please subscribe to our page and get latest e-learning videos. Thank you.